Tiny seeds, big claims. Can chia really help you lose weight? Did you know that those tiny chia seeds, often sprinkled on smoothies and salads, were once a staple food for ancient Aztec warriors? These warriors believed chia seeds provided them with incredible energy and stamina. Today, chia seeds are experiencing a resurgence in popularity, touted as a superfood for weight loss. But do these tiny seeds live up to the hype? Let's delve into the science and separate fact from fiction. Many people are turning to natural solutions for weight management, and chia seeds seem to fit the bill. But how can something so small have such a powerful impact on our bodies? To understand this, we need to look at the impressive nutritional profile of these ancient seeds. Get ready to unlock the secrets of chia seeds and discover if they hold the key to your weight loss journey. Nutritional powerhouse. What makes chia seeds special? Chia seeds are packed with nutrients that can support a healthy weight. They are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. This is key for weight management as it prevents overeating and keeps those hunger pangs at bay. In addition to fiber, chia seeds are rich in protein, another crucial nutrient for weight loss. Protein helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, which burns more calories even at rest. This means that by incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're not only curbing your appetite, but also boosting your metabolism. The science behind the seed. What do the studies say? While the high fiber and protein content of chia seeds are promising for weight loss, scientific evidence is crucial. Some studies have shown that adding chia seeds to your diet can lead to modest weight loss and reductions in waist circumference. One study found that consuming chia seeds daily for 12 weeks resulted in a significant decrease in body weight and body fat percentage in overweight and obese individuals. However, it's important to note that most studies on chia seeds and weight loss have been small and short-term. More research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the long-term effects of chia seeds on weight management. Section 4. Incorporating chia seeds for weight loss. Practical tips and tricks. Adding chia seeds to your diet is easy and versatile. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritional boost. One popular way to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and sweetener. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and enjoy a delicious and filling breakfast or snack. Remember, while chia seeds can be a valuable addition to a weight loss plan, they are not a magic bullet. It's essential to combine their consumption with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Section 5. Chia seeds and you, a recipe for success. Chia seeds offer a unique blend of nutrients that can support your weight loss journey. Their high fiber and protein content can promote satiety, reduce cravings, and support a healthy metabolism. By incorporating them into your diet and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can unlock the potential of these tiny seeds. What are your favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds? Share your recipes and tips in the comments below.